Hello everyone, my name is Astha Dubey and I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I did my bachelor's in Khairagarh, Indra Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya in painting and did my master's from MSU, Baroda in art history. So currently I am working in Baroda. I'm assisting an artist, Dushan Patel, and I'm working with Vichitra Studio and there I'm doing freelancing and my work also. Here in this Hide Art, I'm showcasing my artwork. As you can see, the title of the artwork is Char Bagh, and so the concept behind it is like the ground plan of Taj Mahal is known as Char Bagh. So as we all know, visited there or it we seen in images or everywhere that in front of Taj Mahal there are gardens. So Char Bagh basically the plan where there are four symmetrical quadrants divided with the water stream as we all seen in Taj Mahal. I replaced it with the lushness and the greenery or exotic vegetation of the garden. I replaced it with the agricultural field. As you can see here, the wheat field. So the concept is like when I was studying history, I understood that just like our life, history is also very interlinked, very spatially, very codependent. It's not something in a straight line. Just like that, there are lots of factors that comes together, work together and make a history. It doesn't matter it's a succession of an empire or a dynasty or is it a failure. But the reasons behind it as important as you are seeing the bigger picture. So what are these reasons? It could be anything. It could be ecological, it could be economical, socio-political, religious, agricultural, anything. So in this painting, I highlighted the agricultural aspect. We generally don't give that much importance to agriculture because it's generate your revenue. It's generate your economical aspect. So Taj Mahal या मुगल जो आज है वो इसकी वजह से भी है. So it's one of the reason which is as important as other. I highlight that aspect here. And my experience with Hide Art is very amazing. Thanks to Atri Chetan and Annapurna ma'am, Unknowns and Ekachitra to select me as an artist. And I had this platform. And what I really enjoyed about this Hide Art, this event, that I have something to get aspire. I had something to get inspired because they are my aspiration. As you can see, the booths, the other booths, where MF Hussain's and Raza and every master artists are there. And so for as a young emerging artist, again, inspiring and very motivating to see. Yeah, I really enjoyed that contrast and you will see all variety of works here, all kind of. So do come visit.